unbelievable. Actually, I couldn't hear anything. They were trying to talk, but it was, I think it was louder on the Tiger Walk than it was in the stadium tonight. And it was an unbelievable atmosphere. Obviously, we're seeing how far Clemson this came as a university, as a program. And I think we have the best support base in the country by far.
Tell me more about Keith Morgan, tell me more about the Aaron Murray is, having to match each other.
Love those moments. Every time I step on the field, I always look at the opposing quarterback and want to go out there and win. I want to go out there and be better than this. Aaron is an outstanding competitor. We'll perform against each other a few times, whether it was in high school, the Army game, or whatever. But I know what type of player he was. He knows what type of player I am. And really, I just want to come out and lead my team. The guys did an outstanding job of coming up and, handling some adversity. They scored a really long run early on. The guys came back and stuffed it. And I thought it was a great team effort.
What about the rhythm you got in complete 10 in a row there?
10 in a row? Yeah. Did I really? Something else right there. Because, I guess in a game, you just get in the flow, you get in the groove. Once you do that, you don't really kind of know what's going on around you. Just go out there and just trying to perform to your standards. There were some throws that I missed early in the first half. There were some missed opportunities that we dropped. And, at the end of the day, it's a long game. You just got to continue to keep pushing, keep flowing, and eventually something to click. So we had everything to come together in the right situation possible, especially towards later in the game, and just very proud of it when we finished.
What was the bigger statement tonight? You as a Heisman Trophy contender now, or you as a national championship contender?
I think that first and foremost, I think it puts us in a situation where we're in the driver's seat. Again, this is a long season ahead of this. Is only the first one, but I would much rather us be in the national championship race than me be a Heisman contender. And that's for the voters and stuff to say. But it's an honor to just be mentioned with it. Maybe I got some points tonight, who knows? But maybe my Twitter followers went up too. So it was fun. And just very, I don't think there's a better university to play for. Me and Coach Sweeney was talking before the game, after the game, and we've just seen it grow so much, and you just got to enjoy it and love it.
Todd, how do you guys handle success at this point? It's been a problem a couple of times.
I think that it's overrated. I don't really like the fact when people say, how do we, because there have been times where we've been absolutely just, crucified of being one of those teams that can't win big games, that can't do this and can't do that. And now it's like, since we win, it's like, how do you not handle that? I think that we got a more veteran team. I think that we understand what we're trying to do as a program. And I hate hearing the fact that we have letdown because we're one of the more consistent teams in the country. So I feel like this is one of the statements for us, and we just got to continue to keep working.
3rd and 2, you guys are down there, and you got to run some more clock. Coach just put the ball in your hands. Can you tell me how good that felt?
Love it. I kind of knew what the situation was coming in the game. I knew if it was to the point where we needed to run the ball later in the game, it was going to be in my hands. Felt the guy coming off the edge. I needed to get around him a little bit. And then when the play has to be made, you got to go out there and make it. That's what the great competitors do, and I just want to put myself in that situation.